Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. In my previous class, I explained some problems on fractions. In this video also, I will explain the remaining problems on fractions. First problem, solve the problems. Now we need to fill the box with greater than or equal or less than. So we need to compare both the fractions. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller, we need to check here. Here we have both fractions are unlike fractions. So we need to change the unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. 3 into 6 divided by 4 into 6. After that 2 into 4 divided by 6 into 4. Okay. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. 6 4s are 24. So we got 18 divided by 24 and 8 divided by 24. Okay. So I have changed the fractions into both unlike fractions into like fractions. Now we can compare it easily. Okay, both denominators are same. That's why we will compare only numerators. 18 and 8. Here 18 is bigger and 8 is small. So 18 divided by 24 is greater than 8 divided by 24. So in this box we need to write greater than. Okay. Here is a second example. Here also I have taken both unlike fractions. Now I am going to change these unlike fractions into like fractions. Multiply 5 with 5, 6 with 5 and here 5 with 6. Here this 5 with 6. Okay. So 25, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Here 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So here I have changed the both unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. So here both the denominators are same. So we are comparing only numerator. Here 25 is small and 30 is big. So 25 by 30 is less than 30 by 30. Here less than symbol will come. Okay. 5 by 6 is less than 5 by 5. Okay. Moving to another question. Here we will check is 1 by 15 is equal to 4 by 30. We need to check these both fractions are equal or not equal. Okay. So I am writing here 1 by 15 and 4 by 30. Okay. 1 by 50 this is in the form of standard form or lowest form. Now we need to change the 4 by 30 into standard form. Okay. 4 by 30 into standard form. 2 2s are 2 15s are. Okay. Up to this only we can change it. It will not go further. We cannot change it more. Okay. So 1 by 15 and 2 by 15. Both I have changed both the fractions into now both the fractions are like fractions. So we can compare it easily. Here 1 by 15 and 2 by 15. So 2 by 15 is more, 1 by 15 is less. So 1 by 15 and 4 by 30 is not equal. Okay. Answer is not equal. Now going to another question. We need to find out the value here. Okay. We need to find out the box. Here 7 by 10 minus some value which is equal to 3 by 10. Here these both are like fractions. So in the denominator 10 will come. Okay. Here all the values are 10. Here 7 is there. Here we need to fill that. Here 3 is there. 7 minus 4, 3. So we can write 4 here. So 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10 which is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, this is the solution for this problem. Now we are moving to another question. Here we need to add the mixed fractions. We need to add the mixed fractions. In previous video I have explained in the mixed fractions concept. I have explained about mixed fractions. Mixed fractions is nothing but integer plus some fraction. Both will be there. Integer value will be there and fraction value will be there. That fractions are called mixed fractions. Now we are going to change the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 divided by 3. Okay. Here 5 into 1, 5. 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 divided by 5. Okay. 7 divided by 3 and 7 divided by 5. So we need to add this 7 divided by 5 plus 7 divided by 7 divided by 3 plus 7 divided by 5. Okay. Now again we are changing these values into like fractions. Okay. 7 into 5, 3 into 5 plus 7 into 3 divided by 5 into 3. Okay. 7 5s are 35 divided by 15 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 15. Here both the fractions are like fractions, denominators are same. That's why I am adding these fractions in easy way. Write 15 and then 35 plus 21. 21 is 6, 5, 56. Okay. So answer of this solution is 56 by 15. 2 into 1 by 3 and 1 into 2 by 5. Answer will be 56 by 15. First I have changed the mixed fractions into fractions. After that unlike fractions into like fractions, and then I have added the fractions. Okay. One more example I will explain. 4 into 2 by 3 and 3 into 2 by 3. Okay. Here these are mixed fractions. Now I am going to change these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2, 14 divided by 3 minus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So subtract the, here I have changed the fractions into like fractions. Now subtraction. We need to write 3 here. 14 minus 11. Answer will be 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So subtraction of 4 into 2 by 3 and 3 into 2 by 3, which is equal to 1. Okay. 3 1s are 3 2s, which is equal to 1. So these are the examples of fractions. Okay. I have explained all the concepts of fractions class, 6th class fractions class. Okay. If anyone want to see the classes and problems, then please do check in my description box. I have provided the links in description box, or else you can check in my playlist also. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.